Hello. Welcome to the Tuesday, January 12th, 2021 5KP program. I need to bring the disclaimer and you know that this video is for informational, educational purposes only and is general in nature, so I don't give any advices here how to trade. And if you agree with that this is only for education and we're trading here paper accounts, we can move on to the topics for today. So as I said before, we'll have a bunch of things, special program today, and what we will do is the typical thing, usually portfolio management, and look at the news, what's going on in the economic calendar and so on. And then we'll be doing some trading. We'll look at the portfolio and then we'll be doing some trading. We'll do some bearish trades. And for bearish candidates, I have real estate, office space, okay? These are the two interesting tickers that I found out, popped up in my search, and we'll have a look at them, do some analysis, and see how we can approach these trades today. And well, maybe we make them, maybe we don't, just have to look at the chart. Let's make some bull trades as well. So I was looking at basic materials and Dow popped up in my search, and Dow chemicals, looks like industry chemicals, basic materials are doing good. So we could benefit from that. We'll have a look at this and also approach this trade in one way or the other. And let's make some neutral trades. Remember, I'm teaching here cash flow. Mostly neutral trades are cash flow trades. So I will be looking at McDonald's and Coca-Cola. Also popped up in my search, and we'll see how we can approach these things as well. So bears, bulls, and neutrals. So let's not waste any more time and just move on to the browser and just look quickly at what's going on in the markets. So, well, I just jumped into trading view right now, so why don't we just stay in here and we can look at ES, so S&P 500 futures. This is a little bit delayed, but you can see that we're moving up. So the market looks very bullish and actually started moving a little bit sideways right now, kind of correcting, staying at this level 380. Okay, cannot push through, but I think it will. It flag a little bit and then go and push through. So we have a lot of bullishness on the market. There may be any correction, coming up soon. We live in crazy conditions, and any major news happening, reading something about new strain of virus, which is deadly, can cause this thing to go down, and companies not being prepared for having vaccinations or no return to the normal very quickly. This can push this thing down, but also it could just keep going. Really hard to predict. Cisco, another one. Wow, this is really nice. So we have working a broken wing butterfly. We're getting towards the middle zone. Of course, I have a lot of time in it, and we discussed about the time in these trades. For small portfolio, I put a lot of days in here because I wanted to give Cisco time to move, and it moved faster than I expected. My goal is to actually get to the middle point here and maximize my profits. So as long as I'm here, time is ticking for me. Let's see the theta on this. It's just 24 cents per day. But I'm pretty cool with this trade. It looks like I'm not going to be losing on it, and I'm getting closer to the point of my max win. So I might be choosing to close this trade as soon as it gets there, or just give it a little bit more time. And when I see some correction happening, I could get out of this trade and just collect my profits. For now, it seems like it moves slowly towards the direction of my here 46, my peak of the butterfly. So I could just wait, and time works for me, so I'm not very worried, okay, about this trade. The steepness of this curve is it's not too steep. As you can see, even if it dropped to 45s, it would not mean too much for me. $2-3, I'm already making $25 out of this. So this trade can just stay in my portfolio. You can also notice that it's not blocking any currency, any buying effect, any buying power. So if I have many of these trades, I can just wait. They don't block me from anything. Yeah, I can still trade and cash flow from other trades. So it's a speculative trade which is winning and cash flowing positively. It's really nice, and I like it. Let's continue. Cisco Gold, GLD, that moved down and it causes some trouble right now. $60 down. Okay, how many days till expiry? 10 days. We have a lot of theta in there, 354. What do I think about the gold?